Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today I'm going to introduce you and I'm going to recommend you this very tiny little thing called multifunction clip LED light. You can get it in Eco Shop for 2 ringgit 40, or in Shopee they sell for 4 ringgit 29 cents. So let's look into the description and also description video. Okay. Right, and then pouring it 29 cents description. Okay, I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. So let's unboxing it. So this is the front box. On the side, okay, I bought it in Eco Shop, 2 ringgit 40 cents on below, on top. Nothing inside. So it's behind. Okay, plus this. It's bright, good for reading. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.